Claude can write your entire marketing strategy, a 10-page breakdown, brilliant analysis, real insights, and at the end it'll say, here are the 7 action items I recommend, and you'll close the chat, open your project tool, and type those 7 things in yourself. That's not AI working for you. That's AI advising you while you do the work. The difference is MCPs. And after this video, you'll know exactly which four to connect first. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Forget the name. Here's what it actually means. Right now, Claude lives behind glass. It can see your world, it can think about your world, but it can't touch anything. An MCP is a door in that glass. Connect a calendar MCP. Claude can read and create events. Connect a Slack MCP. Claude can read channels and send messages. Connect a Notion MCP. Claude can query your databases and update records. By mid 2025, there were already MCPs for hundreds of tools: Gmail, Google Drive, Notion, Slack, Linear, HubSpot, Asana. More every week. You don't need to be a developer. In Claude Cowork mode, most of them connect in about 2 clicks. Here are the four I connect first. Number 1, the calendar takeover. Sunday night, stressful week ahead, you open Claude. You type, look at my calendar for the week. For every meeting that has a doc linked in the invite, read that doc and write me a 3 bullet briefing. Without MCPs, Claude says, I'll be happy to help, share the documents. You're the bottleneck. You copy, you paste, you repeat 6 times. With the calendar and Gmail MCPs connected, Claude reads your calendar directly, finds the linked docs, pulls the content, outputs 5 briefings. You start Monday already prepared. You didn't open a single app. The mistake people make: they use Claude to help them prepare for meetings, instead of having Claude prepare for the meetings while they do something else. Those are different jobs. Number 2, the CRM Operator. I run a car rental business. Inquiries coming from WhatsApp, Mercado Libre, direct messages. Before MCPs, I spend the first hour of every day reading everything, figuring out who needed a reply, and typing those replies. Now I open Claude and ask, what follow ups are due today in the rental pipeline? Draft a reply for each one. Claude reads the Notion CRM directly, finds 3 leads with a follow up date of today, reads the last message for each, writes 3 personalized drafts. I review, I approve. Done. 60 minutes of reading and typing became 5 minutes of reviewing and approving. The mistake people make: they think MCPs are for complex automations. This one is just read the database, tell me what needs attention. That's it. You can set this up in 10 minutes. Number 3, the research sprint. You're about to negotiate a contract. You want to know what competitors charge. Old workflow, open 8 tabs, read 8 pricing pages, copy numbers to a spreadsheet, write a summary. 45 minutes. New workflow, go to the pricing pages of these 5 competitors, extract plan names and prices, put them in a comparison table, mark which plan most closely matches what I offer. Claude navigates each site, reads the content, structures the output. You had a clean table in minutes. You didn't open a single tab. You just reviewed the result. The mistake people make: they use MCPs for internal tools only and forget Claude can also go out to the web on their behalf. Research is one of the highest ROI uses. It's pure time savings, no complexity. Number 4, the most powerful one, the 3 app chain. You just finished a client meeting. Notes are rough. You open Claude and say, here are my notes. Create a summary doc in Google Drive. Update the project status in Notion to in progress. Draft the follow up email. 3 apps, 3 separate actions, 1 sentence. Without MCPs, that's 20 minutes of switching between windows, copy pasting, reformatting. With 3 MCPs connected, Claude does all 3 in sequence inside one conversation while you're already on your next call. The cognitive overhead of now I go to Drive, then Notion, then Gmail disappears. This is the shift. Claude stops being a chat window and starts being an operator that reaches into your real tools and takes real actions based on a single instruction from you. So, where do you start? If you're on Claude's Cowork mode, open the Connectors panel in Settings. Pick one tool you touch every single day: Calendar, Notion, Slack, doesn't matter. Connect it. Then spend 30 minutes talking to Claude about that tool. What's on my plate this week? Summarize what happened in this channel. What records need updating? Get the feel before you build anything complex. One connected tool used well is worth more than 10 installed and ignored. Subscribe. Next week, we combine this with skills and memory into a workflow that runs automatically, no trigger needed while you sleep. See you there.